Have you ever wondered if the proxies you're using are keeping you safe or putting you at risk? Using the wrong proxy could expose your data or even get your accounts banned. Let's make sure that doesn't happen. Wouldn't it be great to browse the web without worrying about your privacy? I'll show you how. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Let's start by explaining what proxies are. Imagine going to a party wearing a mask. People see the mask, not your face. Proxies work just like that for your online identity. They keep your real IP, location, and identity hidden. As a result, you can browse anonymously, visit websites that are not available in your country, and use bots to automate tasks like web scraping without getting noticed or banned. This increased privacy adds an extra security layer to your device and data. But not all proxies offer the same level of protection and anonymity. It depends on the proxy type you use, where you get it, and how you use it. Now let's talk about the most important types of proxies for staying safe online and what happens if you pick the wrong ones. Paid versus free, or private versus public proxies. Why pay for proxies when you can get them for free? Imagine hopping into a crowded, driverless bus. You might reach your destination, but who knows what could happen along the way? Too many people can use the same free proxy at the same time, and some may even use it for hacking or other questionable activities. What happens then? Your connection slows down a lot, and you end up with lags and bans. That free IP might already be banned on many websites because of what someone else did with it. That's not the worst part though. These proxies can also track your online activity and sell your personal or business information to advertisers, hackers, or anyone willing to pay for it. Some of them can even spread viruses or malware, which can steal your information or damage your device. So while you may save some money initially, using proxies from questionable sources can cause a lot of damage down the road. With paid proxies, it's like hiring a personal driver. Safe, reliable, and tailored to your needs. You get customer support, better performance, and a guarantee that they will work whenever you need them to. These companies invest in their infrastructure, provide extra security features like HTTPS and SOC 5 and dual authentication support, and monitor their proxies so you get clean and safe IPs that won't get you blocked. Now, private proxies can be dedicated or shared, depending on how many people use them at the same time. Dedicated proxies are used by only one person at a time, making them safer. Shared proxies are used by multiple people simultaneously, but they can still be safe if the provider carefully checks who uses them. This leads us to the next important thing for secure proxy usage: choosing the right proxy provider. Paid and private proxies are safe only if they come from a reputable provider. This means companies that follow legal data protection rules like GDPR, ethically source their IPs, have a strict know your customer policy, and monitor their networks to keep all users safe. Now, proxy providers usually offer residential, data center, ISP, and mobile proxies. While all of them can be safe depending on your use case, residential ones are the most trustworthy, but only if they are ethically sourced. To stay safe, always use paid, private proxies from trusted providers and stick to legal activities when using them. Ready to take control of your online privacy? Visit IPRoyal.com now for proxies you can trust. Want to know how 4G and 5G tech impact your business and life? Don't miss, we break it all down for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and hit the bell icon. See you next time.